What if I told you this whole Bluetooth speaker, every single parts you see came straight out of a 3D printer? It's play music, you can charge it with 12 volts and watch this. This lights dance to the music in real time. In this video, I will show you exactly how to build one yourself. So here's what makes this speaker special. 2 3-watt speaker for solid and punchy sound, a custom 8x8 LED matrix that react to the beat of your music. Let me show you the design first. The whole thing is made of just 4 parts: the main frame, the back cover, the speaker holder and the speaker grill. I printed the frame in silver, the speaker holder and back cover in black, the grill in both black and white, but print them in whatever colors you like. For the speakers, I'm using two 4-ohm 3-watt drivers. You can use better ones if you have them, and I have already soldered the wires to save some time. First, let's fit the speaker into the speaker holder. Just drop each one into its slot. To lock them in, I'm using M3 nut and bolts from JLCMC, who are also the sponsor of today's video. So JLCMC is your one-stop solution for all mechanical parts that are both high quality and affordable. And here you will find huge range of components like linear motion parts, transmission components, aluminum enclosure and profiles, and fasteners like screw, nut and bolts, and much more. Those nut and bolts I use in this build are from JLCMC, and here is the best part for makers like us. They have got same-day shipping on in-stock items plus fully customizable parts at best price. They offer free 3D files to download so you can drop their parts straight into your design before you can even buy. So tired of choosing between cost and quality? That's why I recommend JLCMC. Grab your $123 coupon through the link below. Coming back to the video, line up the holes, tighten them down, nice and secure. And here I'm using ESP8266. It controls both LED matrix and the sound sensor. I will mount it to the back cover with 4 screws. Don't have an ESP8266? No problem. You can use almost any microcontroller you already have. And here I'm using XYP15 amplifier module. It has built-in Bluetooth and volume control knob, and I will fix it into the back cover as well. Then I will drop the 12 volt DC female socket into its slot so that we can charge our Bluetooth speaker later. Now the sound sensor, and as you can see I desoldered it and added some wire to fit it nearly inside the back cover. This little sensor is what hears the music and tells the lights when to dance. And as you can see it fits perfectly. For power, I'm using a 3S battery pack, but you can also use 18650 battery. I designed a battery holder right into the back cover so you can drop 3 18650 batteries and solder them off. And here I'm using my custom 8x8 WS2812B LED matrix, the star of the show. It goes right into the speaker holder. Last component for the frame, the on or push button switch. I will insert it into the slot and tight it with the nut. With all components in, it's time to attach the speaker holder to the frame. And here I'm using 6 M3 bolts so everything sits nice and tight. And here is the full connection diagram. I will follow it and connect everything up. All the wiring is complete and I have already programmed the ESP826s. Time to close it off. I will attach the back cover to the frame using 6 and 3 bolts plus 2 more on each side. And at last the speaker grill snaps onto the front, and just like that our Bluetooth speaker is ready. So let's test it out. First let's turn it on. There we go, it's live. Now let's pair it with my phone. Connected. Now let me switch off the lights so you can really see the LED matrix come to life. And that's the build. I hope you loved it. I designed this to be budget friendly and beginners easy so anyone can make one at home. And to charge this Bluetooth speaker, just plug in any 12 volt 1 amp adapter and that's it. It will charge the speaker. And you can control the volume right from the break. All the files are available in the description below. Right now the files are available to my channel members. Become a member and you will get instant access to everything, and after 1 month I will make all the file public for everyone. A big thanks to JLCMC for sponsoring this video. Check out the link in the video description for the nuts and bolts and other mechanical parts. If you enjoy this, hit like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.